For local news, President Isaias Afewerki today, February the 21st, received the credentials of 14 ambassadors at Dundon Hall. During the ceremony, Ambassador Yasser Ali of Egypt, Ambassador Fionnuala Gilsison of Ireland, Ambassador Dr. Jord Estifride of Austria, Ambassador Neil Hawkins of Australia, Ambassador Veronika Ikoninova Simugola of Czech Republic, Ambassador Per Inarsson of Sweden, Ambassador Alu Ugen of Côte d'Ivoire, Ambassador Matt Dudsen of Denmark, Ambassador Saleh Biduzod of Canada, Ambassador Lasiji Baja of Philippines, Ambassador Tarja Fernandez of Finland, Ambassador Brodeza Mutambe of Zambia, Ambassador Shidra Drai of India, as well as Ambassador Rai Pacheco of Brazil presented the credentials respectively. Upon receiving the credentials, President Isaias elaborated on the objective state of affairs in Eritrea and the ongoing national development programs, as well as regional and international issues and their developments. President Isaias also asserted on the possibilities of further strengthening bilateral relations, pointing out the efforts being made to ensure Eritrea's national development and economic emancipation programs. President Isaias expressed Eritrea's utmost readiness and acceptance with open hands towards working closely with any country interested in deepening mutual interest based on mutual respect. In an interview they conducted with Irina, the ambassadors expressed admiration on the prevailing peace and stability in Eritrea and underlined their country's desire to further enhance bilateral relations and ties and increase cooperation in various development spheres. Foreign Minister Osman Saleh and a number of officials of the respective ministry were present on the occasion.